Does your financial advisor adhere to the fiduciary standard? Do you fully understand the extra fees you're paying on your portfolio? Is your relationship with your advisor worth thousands in lost revenue? If your answer to any one question is a resounding no, don't you think it's time you entrust your hard-earned money to an advisor who acts to further your financial interests, not theirs? At Newman's Financial Planning, our primary focus is providing low-cost, high-quality portfolios customized to give you the best chance at investment success. As a fee-only fiduciary, we are obliged by law to put your financial interests first. We believe in building long-term customer relationships based on full and fair disclosure and backed by superior service. This means we don't charge any commissions, receive any kickbacks, or recommend funds with expensive load fees. Want to secure your financial freedom? Why not contact us today for a complimentary analysis and financial plan? Newman's Financial Planning. Your success is our only mission.